Hey guys, Eric from Free Camper Man. We're going to do a quick review on the Fuel Cave 1 gallon refillable propane cylinders. Let's jump right into it. So we got 2 cans and the pump set up. I think it was $60. The things are really great. You open up the bleeder. As soon as propane starts to shoot out that little bleeder, it's just like at a regular fill-up station. I filled 4 cans up before my last trip, and it never even affected the amount that was in the tank as far as the gauge reading. Come on, baby. There it is. Once you see that right there, you're good to go. You're done. This is Eric from Free Camper Man. Thanks for stopping by.